Did you hear that? They're spinning you.
No, we're not spinning Ryan anymore.
Yes! Yes!
Hey, Ashley.
No spin Ryan.
Can you spin us?
Yeah, I can try.
I don't know how to get out.
See that? Did you see what a specimen I am?
Will you help Ashley on?
Hold on tight. And don't.
Don't do them real
fast. We're going round and round, so hold hard. Hold on real tight as you can.
Wow. Well, there's no slowing down. Just have to wait till you stop.
Push them.
Well, I tried pushing him. I wanted to swing him this way, but when I did, I just sped him up.
Don't get off. Just do this. I'm just trying to scoot my butt. The bottom. Do this. Please don't get any faster. Don't get any faster. Don't.
Stop.
I'm falling off. I'm about to fall off and throw up.
All at the same time.
Yes. Come on. Yeah. You should have.